Hello to everyone. Today we'll discuss Chelate Effect. Here first we have to know what is chelate. Chelate polydentate ligand form more than one bond to the same metal ion to forming compound. This ligand are called chelate. And the complex form is called chela. Here the chelate are more stable as non-chelate. So this effect is called Chelate effect. This effect is called Chelate effect. Now for example, hydrated cadmium form complex with CH3NH2 and ethylene diamine and triethylene tetramine. So first we will draw cadmium, hydrated cadmium, that is CdH2O4, 2 positive ion plus CH3NH2 gives a product here. Product is CdNH2 CH3 NH2 CH3 NH2 CH3 NH2 CH3. This is first example. Second example is when hydrated cadmium react with CH2 ethylene diamine to form complex is CdNH2NH CH2 NHCH2 Now third example is when hydrated cadmium react with triethylene tetramine. So form a complex is, your complex is cadmium NH2 CH2 NH2 CH2 NH2 CH2 H2 CH2 and here a complex CH2 CH2. Now here we can say that cadmium CH3NH2 is non-chelate whereas cadmium ethylene diamine and cadmium triene are chelate. So next order of stability is here we can write cadmium CH3 NH2 4, 2 positive is less than cadmium in less than ED trying. So next, chelate having 5-membered ring, in which 5-membered ring is more stable as compared to 6-membered ring as compared to 7-membered ring. Now next, when chelate effect is weaker when size increase. When chelate effect get weaker, then when size increases, but very small ring involves more strain and chelate become less stable. सो आई होप गाइस कि आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो। प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने के लिए। सारी एमएससी के टॉपिक्स पे वीडियो बनी हुई है। अगर किसी टॉपिक पे आपको वीडियो चाहिए तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए, तो आई विल प्रोवाइड यू नोट्स। अपनी मेल भेजिए, मैं उस पर वो नोट्स भी प्रोवाइड करूँगी। थैंक यू।